Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the issue before the Rajasthan High Court came about the arbitrary rejections by the Commissioner of Income Tax exemptions in granting the exemptions under section 80G subsection 5. The main issue in the present case was that whether the tribunal has the power to direct the Commissioner of Income Tax exemptions to grant the exemption under section 80G subsection 5, or the tribunal can simply cite or remand back the matter to give the exemption as per law or as per the facts and circumstances of the case. This issue has been taken by Rajasthan High Court in the case of Commissioner of Income Tax exemptions versus Gangadeen Niranjan Lal Data Charitable Trust. And this case has been reported in 463 ITR at page number 690, and the date of the judgment is 19th January 2018. Although this judgment is of 2018, but it has recently been reported in 463 ITR. In the present case, the assessee applied for section 80G subsection 5 registration. During the process of registration, the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption asked a query with the assessee that the assessee has not commenced its charitable activities or has not done the charitable activities in a significant manner in the last 8 months, and the show cause notice was issued to the assessee. Although the assessee submitted its reply, but the exemption was denied solely on this ground that the assessee has not done considerable charitable activities in the last 8 months. The assessee challenged this rejection of section 80G subsection 5 approval before the tribunal, and the tribunal said that in the present case, the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption has not checked the genuineness of the activities of the trust, but he was only concerned with the volume of the activities. The tribunal said that whenever any rejection order is passed, it is the duty of the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption that he has to give the elaborate reasons why he has rejected the application under section 80G subsection 5. The tribunal said that the rejection under section 80G subsection 5 can only be done if any of the condition which is mentioned in clause III, 4 and 5 of section 80G subsection 5 is not met with. Since the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption has not specified in his order that any of these 5 conditions of section 80G subsection 5 has not been met, so he is rejecting the registration under section 80G subsection 5. The tribunal also said that section 80G subsection 5 clause 4 requires the assessee to maintain regular accounts of receipts and expenditure. The tribunal said that the rule 11 AA governs the procedure of approval under section 80G, which specifies certain conditions. The tribunal said that rule 11 AA sub rule 2 says that the assessee has to submit the notes on activities, the assessee has to submit the accounts of 3 years or the accounts from its inception, whichever is earlier. Although the assessee has to submit all these details with the Commissioner of Income Tax exemptions, and then the CIT exemption has to take the decision. Since in the present case, the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption has denied the registration under section 80G subsection 5 in an arbitrary manner and by a non-speaking order, so the tribunal directed the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption that the exemption should be granted to the assessee. It was not a case where the tribunal has simply cited, remanded back the matter to take a decision as per the law. The revenue moved to the Rajasthan High Court, and the Rajasthan High Court also upheld the order of the tribunal by saying that in the present case, the registration should be granted by the Commissioner of Income Tax exemption. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Commissioner of Income Tax Exemption versus Gangadeen Niranjan Lal Data Charitable Trust, and this case has been reported in 463 ITR, page number 690, and the date of the judgment is 19th January 2018. Thank you, friends.